Now I will introduce how to install our fingerprint lock for the glass doors. Open the package, we will see the main lock, side lock, main lock board, side lock board, and the screws. These are optional remote, optional card. Firstly, we open the main lock and hold the main lock to the glass door. Fix the screw to make it to be stable. Now, pull off the stick of this board and stick it to the glass like this, and press it, make it to be stable to hold the lock. Now it's very stable. And pay attention to these 4 holes. Insert the main lock to this. Okay. Now we finished the installation. You just need to fix the screws on the top and the button. Now we install the side lock. Firstly, we open the side lock and hold the side lock to the glass. Fix the screw, but not to be very tight, because we need to adjust it. Make the side lock and the main lock to be the same level, like this. And then fix the screw, make it to be stable. Now pull off the stick of this board and stick it to the glass like this. Press it, make it to hold the lock. Now it's very stable. And attach this to the side lock. Now we finished the installation. We just need to fix the screw on the top and the button. Okay. As the fingerprint and the password is very easy. Just like this, to wake up the touchpad, press the start key and the prompt key, then listen to the voice instructions is okay.